Hi, my name is Kazan, and today we're gonna be playing with our food. And not just any food, cute food. Okay, so first of all, I wanna say that drawing cute food is very unusual for me. To be honest, I don't actually draw that many cute things at all. But that's exactly why this is gonna be so much fun. So if you like fun, why not subscribe to my channel? And I hope you won't hesitate to throw me a good idea down in the comments below so I know what I should be drawing in my next video. Let's go! So let's start by defining what cute is. Well, if you ask me, cuteness comes from huge eyes. So let's start by doing huge circles here. Just like that. And one more. Those will be our eyes. And don't forget the pupils. I will just fill them out with black. And only black. Just like that, really quickly. And then I'll put a reflection from the light here. Just to make those eyes nice and shiny. And what I also usually find really cute is when they have a tiny mouth. That's it, very simple. We keep the details low today. It's just one eye, two eyes, and a small mouth. And to keep this character cute, you make sure those eyes stay big compared to the rest of the body. Now let's try and make some food. I'll show you some examples. Let's start with a simple carrot. So, here we have it. Nice, simple carrot. Few details here, just a small top. But it's not really that cute. So let's see our interpretation of these eyes and mouth on a small, rounded, cute carrot body. I think it would look something like this. If you compare these two, you'll see it has a very small body with rounded edges and not that many details. And then of course our huge eyes. Let's take a piece of cake. Ooh, tasty. But how would you make this cute? Let's take a look. We have it here. Same concept again. We make the edges a bit more round. I even added this detail of a cherry on the top. And then of course our huge eyes again. And last example before we're gonna draw. It's a cheeseburger. And I think you already guessed how we're gonna make it cute. Let's take a look. And here we have it. Yes, you guessed it. The character is more rounded again. And if you check out the details on the letters up here and compare it to this one down here, you'll see that I cut out some details. And don't forget our huge googly eyes, of course. So I hope you understand the concept now. To be able to do this, you also need to be capable of drawing the food itself, of course. But just be sure to keep it as simple as possible. The details are not important here. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it on an ice cream. We simply start with the bottom here. That will be the cone itself. That's gonna be our body. Then we add the top of the cone. Just like this. And then we start adding the ice cream. I'm gonna do two balls here. I'll just erase this. And then let's add some cream on the top. Just let it flow a bit. Just like this. Then we add a few more layers here. It's gonna be a good ice cream. And we clean up a bit. Then we add the rest of the top. I'm making it really like a creamy top here. Then let's add a waffle. I guess it's called a waffle, right? Whatever. It's some sort of biscuit, right? So, and now the grand finale. Our huge eyes. They're the most important thing. Gonna do just like before, just two huge circles. Just like that. And our small mouth. And huge pupils. We just fill them with black really quick. So. And our small reflection of light. Like this, to make them shiny. And then I'll just add a few more details on the top here. To make it more creamy. And of course, who in their right mind would forget sprinkles on top of an ice cream? Perfect! Our delicious ice cream is finished. And before I end this video, let me just show you how you can play around with the eyes and mouth. Because that's not the only way of making them cute. So first let me just remove the eyes. And then we make 2 lines like this. That's one happy ice cream. Now you can also play around with the mouth. I'll show you this very last thing. I'll make 1 wider line like this. And then 1 line down and 1 line here and 1 line here. Then we have a happy open mouth. Which one would you like to eat first? I don't know. I wouldn't be able to eat any of them. They're too damn cute. So, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. And now I'm really hungry. I'm gonna go make myself some lunch. Don't forget to throw me your good ideas down in the comments below. And I might choose your good idea for the next video I'll make. See ya!